In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own unique avatar in Canva. This is perfect if you want a custom profile picture for social media, your website, or even presentations without having to draw anything yourself. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you've opened either a blank design or an existing project where you want to use your avatar. You can use any size, but something square, like an Instagram post, usually works well for profile images. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with options like design, elements, text, and more. From that panel, click on apps. This is where Canva hides a lot of powerful extras that many people don't explore, and the avatar generator is one of them. After you've clicked apps, a search bar will appear at the top of that section. Click into the search bar and type the word avatar. This helps you quickly filter through all the available apps and tools so you don't have to scroll around and hunt for it. You should now see an option called Avatar Generator. Go ahead and click on Avatar Generator to open it. If this is your first time using the app, Canva might show you a short description or a quick overview of what it does. Just follow along and look for a button that lets you continue. Next, you'll see the Avatar Generator window open on the side of your design. Click on Avatar Generator again if you need to confirm or launch it fully inside your design. This will bring up all the options and prompts you can use to describe the avatar you want. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Canva may ask you to describe the style of your avatar, such as realistic or cartoon, and details like hair color, clothing, or accessories. Take your time and be as specific as you'd like, because the more detail you provide, the closer the avatar will match your personality or brand. When you're ready, generate the avatar and wait a few moments while Canva creates it. Once it appears, you can click on the avatar to add it directly to your design. From there, you can resize it, add backgrounds, text, or any extra design elements until it looks exactly how you want. Then just download your finished design and your unique Canva avatar is ready to use anywhere you like.